Do you know where Jax is?
Do I ever know where Jax is?
Today, I want to show you something that's never been built before. It's the first vehicle storage system developed specifically for the professional cleaning and restoration contractor. Now, we know you perform more than just carpet cleaning and extraction services, and that requires you to carry more equipment and specialty tools. The problem is, that can weigh a ton and take up a lot of room. This shelving allows you to essentially double your van's usable storage capacity. And with 4 types of shelving and an extension kit, it's easy to customize as your business changes and grows. We start with the shelving base kit. From there, I added the chemical shelf. Now, I only have 1 of them, but if you're a carpet cleaner, you might want 2 or 3 to prevent those chemicals from sliding around the back of your van. Next up is the heavyweight folding shelf, which I used last week. I had 3 Rebos on it. Wasn't a problem at all because it has a weight capacity of 225 pounds. Then, a standard folding shelf, which I use for Velo Pros or other air movers. At the top, our standard fixed shelf. Now, to attach this fixed shelf, I had to add the high roof extension kit. If you have a tall van, optimizing the height is a must. And that's the new modular van shelving from Legend Brands. I'll see you next time. Oh, and if you see the girls, I was on PTO.
Legend Brands.